Hi, welcome to Career for You. Today's question is about SAP jobs and opportunities. Many of you have asked me about SAP jobs and opportunities lying in the market. So I have summarized it into three segments. One, are there any jobs available for the freshers? Number two, what is the criteria to apply on these particular jobs? And three, how you can apply and what are the channels through which you can start applying on these particular jobs. Before coming to these answers, you should understand how and what kind of requirement are there in the market. Right now, there are companies who are using SAP from last 2 or 3 decades in India particularly. It's been 52 years SAP is there in the market. In India, it is like 25 years. So from 2 decades, the companies are using SAP. They are not looking for the same or similar kind of profiles which are there from last 15 years in the companies. So how you can groom your profile with them and how you can start applying, you need to understand this basic concept. If you are getting training from any authorized institute, any local institute, or under the supervision of any consultant, doesn't matter. You should start exploring more and more the requirement from these kind of companies. Now, when it comes to the requirement, it is kind of in case you are having any particular module knowledge, you should start exploring the multiple module knowledge, or you can see that advanced module knowledge. For example, if you are going ahead with MM or PP or SD, so you should start exploring the market with different kind of scenario. After MM, what should be the next target? Like there is inventory management or extended warehouse management or supply chain management, logistic management, or it can be transport management. So how and where are the jobs going ahead and what kind of scenario they are looking at? It is not only the particular module knowledge, it is moreover the practical experience knowledge. So theoretical knowledge plus practical knowledge, then making it to advanced level, because you are standing in a competition where thousands of other candidates are lying. So you should start uplifting your profile. How you can uplift your profile? One, to getting a good practical training. Second, you can start getting the SAP certification. And third, you can start exploring the advanced modules such as Fiori, such as Ariba or Hybris or Concur, or it can be any latest module which is coming on S4HANA or cloud version, so that your profile is getting uplifted and recruiters start searching for your profile directly. Now, coming back to the question, how you can apply, what kind of jobs are available, and are there any jobs available for freshers? Yes, there are jobs available for freshers. Normally what happens, the one who is hiring for the freshers, they hire on the bulk mode and they start reaching out to the companies to institute who are the training providers. It is a direct B2B deal, and you should start exploring with your respective training entity from where you have taken training, because these companies start exploring the freshers from this segment only, because they don't reach to one-to-one basis. So they reach out to these companies who are providing the training, and once those data is supplied to them, so they start exploring by doing like technical evaluation or one-to-one interviews. So after that only, so you should be reaching out to directly to your HR, to admin, to placement head for exploring these kind of requirements. Number two, how you can apply on these particular jobs. You can apply on these particular jobs by 3 different ways. There are various channels. I am sharing you the 3 main criteria over here where you can start searching and start applying on these particular jobs. One is the SAP career portal. Now, I have shared my knowledge on the SAP career portal in the previous videos as well. You can search on the previous video and see how you can get access for SAP career portal. Normally, in very briefly, let me just share you. SAP career portal is the portal provided to you by SAP directly once you do the authorized course from any authorized institute. So this career portal is having all the jobs available for SAP. all SAP jobs are lying on this career portal, and you being authorized candidate, you can start applying on these particular jobs, and you get this access directly from SAP via SAP partner if you do SAP training from authorized training partner. So this is the first way, and this is very prominent because all the SAP jobs, all the partners, all the customers, all the clients who are using SAP are lying on this particular SAP job portal. Second, you can start searching the jobs and relevant companies on different job portals like Indeed, Naukri.com, Monster.com. So there are many companies who start applying on these. There are many companies who are posting jobs on these particular various channels, and you can start on exploring the jobs and applying on them. So I would suggest start applying by creating the relevant resume to respective to the job. It is not like the similar resumes going ahead with all the jobs. So you should start creating your resume in accordance to the job description and then start applying. And there are various Telegram channel, there are various groups on the WhatsApp. You should start exploring those groups because multiple candidates are there and they start sending the jobs directly to these kind of groups. And the third, which is more prominent, it's the LinkedIn. You should start creating your profile on LinkedIn. Once you have the profile, now there are three ways on LinkedIn you can start exploring. One, by creating profile and searching the jobs relevant to you. By searching the jobs means doesn't apply directly, but who is posting that particular job, start following those people. And once you start following those people, you start creating your resume and reaching out to them directly with the personalized message, sending them personalized mail on their respective mail IDs. And this way you start exploring the jobs, and there are chances that out of multiple jobs you get your relevant job. On LinkedIn, there is another method to start exploring by groups. So there are multiple groups relevant to your module knowledge. So you start joining those groups, getting knowledge about those groups and jobs, so that in case any particular company or any particular person is available from that respective company, so you can start exploring them and following them. And this way you are entering to the market where you already been touch base with that kind of scenario and people, and you start sending the jobs applications directly over them. And the third one is you start creating some of the content on LinkedIn which would be very basic based on your module knowledge, and this will give recruiters an idea that this kind of content is delivered by this person, so this is the knowledge he is carrying. So this is the way you can start exploring on different social medias, on different job portals or SAP career portal. I hope this information is useful to you. In case you have any further question, you can comment below, or you can reach out to me via LinkedIn or via commenting on this particular video. So start asking your questions. I'll be sharing my knowledge based on my experience. All the best, and keep liking and sharing this channel so that everyone who is in need can get knowledge about.